guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Mary, and today we are going on the train, and we are going to be viewing the entire Disney park. The train ride will be starting very soon, and I'm really excited. So I'll see you once. Okay guys, the train has started. I am really excited because today you're going to be viewing the entire Disneyland park. Over there is the disabled spot, and that's a little area. Where that pool is right there is the entrance to the rest. People will be right in the disabled spot. I'm hanging on to my camera for dear life so that you guys can fly like a birdie. Yeah, if you guys want to fly like a birdie, then to say for this video, I'll be fine. Okay. Now that we got that cleared out, this is Disneyland.
Mesdames et messieurs, attention au départ de Main Street Station. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder les mains à l'intérieur. Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer. Merci. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now departing Main Street Station. For your safety, please stay seated while the train is moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train.
Another reminder, you're not going to be flying like birds, okay? Ooh, there's the Disney cruise! Disney cruise! Disney cruise is down. I'm not very like there, right there. I just think this is cool. Yeah, it's all that, okay.
The river still runs free, and anyone's dream turn to gold.
Hey guys, this is really nice wilderness. See Amber, I can't read up fast, guys. Okay. You guys know what that sunset combo like did.
Thank you for listening today, and I wish you a great day at Sunrise.
Okay, hey guys, we're at the show. We didn't see much of Disney. We still saw part of it. Yes, I'm not too sure if it's time to get off, so I'm not going to end the video just yet till we are sure that we're getting off now. Yeah, we are exiting. Guys, we just hit our first stop. This is where we have stopped at Frontierland Thunder Mesa. Okay guys, the train has started again. My brother's eating popcorn in the background and I'm jealous. So we are leaving the station. There's see crew and the crowd of Here's another one past the crowd of people. We have farmland and stuff like that. I'm not really too sure what you guys are going to be seeing, and if there's any like large crowds of people, I'm going to be holding you guys down to the floor like I did for the large crowds of people at the train station. This kind of feels like a ride/attraction.
Bonjour et bienvenue aux nouveaux passagers. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur. Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer. Merci.
Hello, folks, and welcome aboard. For your safety, please stay seated while moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train. No smoking.
Well, there's actually some bamboo that's good. I like bamboo. Bird noise. I love that.
Ces ruines au loin marquent leur entrée vers Atlantis, le pays de tous les mystères.
Folks, see that ancient temple in the distance?
Guys,
That
that is
means we've
in
entered
front of the
adventure, the
train.
world's most mysterious region.
But pretty dark. You guys cannot see it. I'm going to show you the light up here. This is how it's happening. Right now we're going to the dark tunnel. Dark tunnel. I'll show you this now because the light is here.
Chers passagers, nous arrivons en gare de Fontaine-Silence. Merci de ne pas oublier, vous avez repère, d'accord pour ceux qui descendent. Merci et bonne journée. Disneyland Paris.
Another
Please don't forget about the belonging. Thank you for listening today and I wish you a great day at Disneyland Paris. Pour rappel, c'est le dernier arrêt en gare de Fantasyland pour ceux qui souhaitent descendre. It's the last stop of Fantasyland. Thank you.
Okay guys, the train has started again. I have just been snacking on some popcorn. This has been a long day. This is the train station. Exit? Not right. So I see his exit. Okay guys, just for you to know I am English and I'm from the UK. Right now I'm in Paris. It was a 55-minute flight. And then we had a really nice taxi to Disneyland. Oh guys, there's a huge castle from the fireworks show a few days ago. There's another castle. There's another castle. Oh, this one's just...
Bonjour et bienvenue aux nouveaux passagers.
Okay, we
Pendant le
get it.
trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur.
Hey,
Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer. Merci.
never shut
For your safety, please stay seated while moving,
up. See, he'll never shut up.
and no smoking.
Ne manquez pas du panoramique.
Siblings want to go in the maze. There's just a crowd of people waiting for a small world that we went on in, I think, part 2. Oh, sorry. There's a small world attraction. We have so many malfunctions in a small world. Like, oh my god.
Just below, and passes through the every segment. It's a small world.
Okay, we get it. Like, dude, whoever, like, we get it. You can shut up now.
Bienvenue à Disneyland. Les rêves du futur sont à la hauteur de l'imagination.
morning.
This is Discovery.
Wait, we're not gonna fly like birds today. Okay? Oh, that's the space ride. It is epic. Wait, is that the Star Wars one? Oh, is that Blue Roof one the Star Wars ride? No, I don't think it is, guys. Phew. Because, guys, you really don't want to go on that Star Wars ride, the hyperspace ride. Oh my god. One point my head flung forward, I didn't film it. Because it was just, oh my god. I was worried my camera was going to break. I didn't film it because I'm like, is this going to be fast? It's going to be fast and I'm not going to let my camera break today. Let me film a few videos.
Bienvenue à nos nouveaux passagers. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur. Et s'il vous plaît,
This thing is really pretty. Like, not lying.
For your safety, please stay seated while moving. Keeping your hands and arms inside the train. And no
Chers passagers, nous arrivons en gare de Main Street, l'entrée du parc. Merci de ne pas ouvrir vos affaires personnelles à bord. Bon, on s'en va avec nous. Une très bonne journée à Disneyland Paris. Chers passengers, returning to Main Street Station and train to the park, please don't
I'm
forget
trying to
your
use this with the sun.
Thank you for seeing today and I wish you a great
The
day.
sun is so bright and
Sécurité, merci de rester correctement ici jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du train.
if you guys are asking if we see the Eiffel Tower, then we haven't seen the Eiffel Tower because we taxied here passing. I think the Eiffel Tower came past it. I don't think we saw it. Alright, guys. So guys, this is our final stop. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified when I post another Disneyland Paris video. Bye!